Yung pang ano style, yung pang DJ talaga.
Magandang tanghali sa ating mga Kaps diyan. Nakatutok ba kayo sa first ever listening party ng SB19? Magingay mga Kaps! Maganda ba ang gising nyo ngayong araw mga Kaps? Caps for Capsicum. Buhati kayo sa isa dali.
Kamusta ito ang people's live stream?
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang
Wait lang,
tanghali.
magpakilala muna tayo. Dali, uy, pinuno.
Kumusta po kayo lahat? Nandito po si Pablo.
Hi everyone, ako po si Stel.
Hello po, I'm Justin.
What's up? I'm Josh.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
And we are
SB19!
Yeah.
Grabe naman, buhay na buhay naman yung mga energy ng mga tropa natin.
Tanungin natin kung nagsikain na ba kayo?
Si Stel daw hindi pa kumakain kasi daw ililibre ko daw siya.
Ay, oo.
Yes.
Ay, guys, di ba naalala nyo, may ginawa kami, yung bumunot kami ng mga, tawag, ano na? Photocard, di ba nabunot ko si Pablo, nahulaan ko, sabi ko ngayon niya ako ilibre. Yes.
Si Ken, nililibre din si Josh.
Pero anyways, usapang libre tayo mga Kaps, di ba? Usapang libre. Ngayon, dahil lilibre ako ni Pablo sa pagkain, ngayong araw naman, makakarinig kayo ng libreng mga tugtugin dito sa aming listening party. Tama ba yan?
Tama yan.
Libreng tugtugin para sa mga libre at single na kagaya nyo. Perfect.
Libreng tugtugin para sa 18.
A10? Parang mamali ka ng lyrics sa una, masama na yung A10. Yes, thank you Spotify for doing this for us. Well, Spotify in letter S.
Ay,
Tinuloy.
sabi mo?
S.
P.
Oh,
T.
Ay!
F.
Y.
Spotify.
Alright. Oo.
Pero alam niyo ba, nabalitaan ko, nagpa-poll daw eh.
Nagpa-poll.
Oo, nagpa-poll. Oo.
ano yun?
Nagpa-poll.
Paul dancing?
Hindi, nagpa-poll sila kung ano yung pinaka-favorite nilang tracks sa EP natin.
Oh.
At alam niyo ba kung ano ang nangibabaw?
Ano?
Yung ego ko. Hindi, ang nangibabaw ay wala because all of the above. Dahil gusto nila. Gusto nila. Pero alam mo, imposible yun kasi for sure meron sa puso nyo nangunguna talaga. Pero syempre dahil ganyan kayo, dahil 18 kayo, ayaw nyong may nakakalamang. Gusto nyo pantay-pantay lahat. Pero kaya, boys at the back, baka gusto nyo magsalita. Oh, Josh, Ken, oh, ano, puro tayo.
Josh, hindi salita si Josh eh.
Pero naniniwala ba kayo na all of the above ay pantay-pantay gusto ng 18?
Hindi.
Mm.
I mean, may sarili-sarili ng preference yung tao eh. Let's not lie to us or to ourselves.
Kung ikaw ba
Meron talagang
tatanungin,
nangingibabaw,
pero
ha?
ikaw ka, Felipe, kung tatanungin ka, ano ang para sa'yo ang pinakagusto mo sa EP na to?
Sa EP na to?
O sige, sa EP ng iba. Sa
Ako,
EP na to.
Time. Gusto mo yung mga very, maganda yung melody ng kanta. Time, quit, mga ganun.
O, ikaw naman, Josh.
Gusto ko yung mga pangit yung melody na kanta.
Sige, alin doon? Yung Eton Ball. Gagaling ka. Gawa ko yun.
Oh.
O, ano nga?
Kasi lahat naman maganda eh. So,
Ano
ba,
nangingibabaw sa'yo, Ka Josh?
Nangingibabaw. Or baka ikaw,
ano sa akin? Time tsaka
Time din.
Luka.
O, ikaw.
Quit din. Lahat din. Lahat sa akin eh.
It's all of the above siya.
Ibig sabihin, yung tao, iba-iba kasi sila nakagustuhan.
O, ikaw, Justin.
Ako, for today, gusto ko yung Shooting for the Stars.
Ay, gari na rin ginakanta ko yan.
Siguro, nag-enjoy ko kayo mag-long drive, no?
Parang
Shooting for the
yung
Stars.
feeling ko kasi ngayon parang bakasyon sa school, ganun. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Bakasyon na nga ngayon.
Kaya nga eh, baka
Baka
yung
na-enjoy mo yung
katawan ko
Sa parang
nakikilala
pang summer, alam mo yun, yung vibe.
Baka na-enjoy mo kasi yung Shooting for the Star, pakinggan. Kasi
Stars.
bago yung ano mo eh. Bago yung speakers ng car mo.
Ay,
Bago yung car mo pala.
Hindi naman.
Bago yung car. Kaya
Hindi
hindi
naman.
Naisingit mo
Kasi-
pa yun? Napakahusay mo talaga.
Naisip niyo pa yun?
yun.
Ako,
Oh,
favorite
ikaw.
ko ngayon talaga ngayong araw, doon ka din. Kasi kada scroll ko sa TikTok, doon kayo naririnig ko. Tapos kahit kakagising ko lang gumagano.
Sa YouTube ko eh.
Kumakaldag ako kahit kagising ko lang.
Ano pa rin sa akin, Dam?
Dam pa rin
Kasi,
talaga.
yun talaga yung nakaka-capture sa
Iba talaga.
Iba talaga yung,
Yes.
this is ugly. Pero parang yun eh, yung pinaka-ultimate feeling is sanay na tayo sa mga nangyayari. Alam natin na parang kapag gumaganda yung takbo, baka may paparating na kakaiba. Pero ultimately, malalagpasan natin yan. So, yun yung Dam.
Yung
Tsaka-
grabe.
Tsaka saktong-sakto yung line sa dulo nung dami. Sa ano talaga ng tao.
Ano?
Nangumpay sa paggusto! Di ba yung last line?
Yeah.
Lahat tayo, pagka meron tayong na-achieve, gusto natin ng bago.
Mm.
And lahat tayo ganun. Kaya naman,
Yes, grabe
Yun
ang
again.
dambalasik
Oo.
na explanation natin pinuno at ni Estel. Kaya naman,
dahil lahat tayo ay walang humpay sa paggusto, ito ay sure na magugustuhan nyo.
let's all listen to Damn. So we heard that there are
Yes.
And then,
yes.
but before that,
Yeah.
that was damn by us. By us.
Of course.
Because we are SB19.
Yeah. So we heard that there are also listeners from different parts of the world.
Yeah.
So for today,
Wow.
we'll try to speak in English so that it will be understood by many. Yes. Oh, wala nagsalita.
Okay. So, yeah, our album is SAW.
Yeah, that's
So,
right.
yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
If you like it, so what?
Ken, you said earlier that your
favorite
favorite song in the album is Time.
Yeah.
So why not share
Your thoughts.
thoughts about
Share
Time?
my thoughts
Yeah.
about time. Time is very, very relatable to a lot of people, and it really
Yes.
resonates
Yes.
with a lot of people, not just in our country, not just in the Philippines, but not for sure, definitely outside the country too, because like people been through a lot of like struggles in life. So I think it's very, very relatable, and it's very heart touching, heart wrenching kind of song.
Yeah.
That's why I really love the song because of the the lyrics and all that.
And you
So
can
let's play
yeah.
that.
And you can also watch Time music video on in anywhere. You can watch the music video anywhere you like. Just watch it and feel the song. And if you want to listen to the music, go to Spotify and listen to it. Yeah, stream it. Yeah. And because of that, we are now going to play Time.
Yes. Did you enjoy time? Your time.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Because they're
The next song that we will be playing is all about well,
Heavy 8-ton is.
ano?
Basically, it's about like how heavy an 8-ton ball is. It's like 8,000 kilograms.
Okay, correct. Okay, so-
Correct.
correct. So it was all about our visions and our struggles, and yeah, that's it.
High snowball. Yes.
No, not snowball. A tomball.
Without further ado.
Without further ado, and a three. No, let's all listen to a ton ball.
Na-enjoy nyo ba yun, guys? Yung 8-ton ball? If na-enjoy nyo,
they enjoy that.
mag-send kayo ng mga emoji ng balls.
Like swerving as well.
Hindi, meron di ba emoji yung basketball?
Yeah.
Diba?
maganda sila.
Oh my God, you guys.
Billiard na ball, yung black.
Ayan, ayan. O, tignan mo natin sa emoji ng balls.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yung number
guys,
8,
I really enjoy the song.
Yes. We have 15,500 listeners. So
Alright.
For sure
For the-
ako.
yes, for the newcomers. You Wait,
Excited na ako na ma-perform natin yung mga songs natin sa concert. You wanna know why? Kasi yung setup ng stage natin merong mosh pit. So
Yeah.
talagang magsisigawan, tatalunan at sasayawan tayo dito.
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
Gagano ako sa stage, so, hey, back up.
I think my long time dream will happen in this concert.
Yung gusto mo mag-ano,
Stage dive.
stage dive.
Pero walang tao sa
Pero sa barricade, bagsak mo. Imagine yung choreos ng mga songs na to. Naku, imaginein nyo lang. Kasi wala pa Imaginein nyo lang. So yeah, for the next song, ako excited ako dito sa song na to. You wanna know why?
You tell me.
Because,
You tell me.
Come on.
you wanna know why?
Yes. Why? Tell
Why?
Me, tell me.
Why you wanna know? Hindi, kasi itong song na to is something that's new for us. Different genre for SB19, and I think a lot of our casual listeners also looking forward on us doing this kind of genre. Yeah, so that's why we are here with the creator, with the writer
Yes.
of this particular song entitled Donka. No, entitled Quit. Quit. So I'm very excited to ask some questions. Ken, can you say something about the song?
I already explained time. I think it's just to
So what's the main reason? Yes.
never quit.
Oh yeah. Short but
Never say never.
yeah, short but
quit.
never say never.
Actually, kama yan Di ba meron tayong period?
Yes, quit. Na-joke na
Quit
yan.
naman.
That's
Ano ba?
quit.
Wisit ka talaga.
Ayan.
Yes, but you
As-
know
yeah.
what quit means?
Yeah, what?
It says that we are all equal.
So?
Quit.
Quits.
Ikaw talaga, Justin. Ang quit mo talaga. And that was Quit.
Bye.
Us. Because we are SB19. Wow. And we are back again, guys. Because we never left.
So, this is our first time doing a rock song.
Yeah.
Um,
Bakit nga ba?
I don't know.
Because ever since
Bakit nga ba?
we're doing
Tell me.
paper songs.
Kasi nga, baka ano siguro, baka napapanahon lang.
paper, scissors.
For the next song, why not talk about it, Pablo?
Hindi, siya sa Dungka.
Okay, so who's gonna talk?
Ikaw na ganun.
I think, let the 18 talk. Sige,
Okay.
kayo mag-explain.
Quick trivia lang. This song was supposed to be in Pagtatag because it was like showed to us by August beforehand. That
Ito yung
time.
kasabay
Yeah.
nung...
So I was thinking if this will go sa Pagtatag.
Tsaka August na sinuwi, no?
Yeah, but I thought Freedom was the better
for
choice
Pagtatag.
during that time.
Or nag-
Yung bridge part where we go silent tapos very solemn yung pagkanta. It wasn't supposed to be that way, right?
We change it.
We changed it to somewhat like an intimate
Ganun ba?
take, yeah.
Yeah, we hope na whenever you listen to Shooting for the Stars, always remember na everyone will have their special moment and their perfect timing, and you will also shoot for your star. So, yeah, i-shoot nyo lang ng i-shoot. Yeah. So, this song is Shooting for the Stars. Shoot mo ang ball. Let's go.
Now we're down to our sixth song. It's called Dungka.
Ooh.
It's a party track. Just a quick story. We made 4 demos. Me and my brother made 4 demos, but this track was the only one na nag-caught ng attention namin. So, we were thinking about something very naughty and like kind of like an earworm, and that you will like keep hearing when you first heard the song. So, ayun po yung naging dahilan kung bakit Dungka yung track na yun, or yung beat na yun yung napili ko na pang 6th track. The song is basically about
doing what you want
yeah,
and telling people if you don't like us, then go away.
no, go away.
Just like Dora.
Swiper, no swiping.
Yeah.
Yes. So Pablo said it's something naughty, so it might be a coffee naughty.
Coffee, not me.
Tung 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 sahur.
Cappuccino,
Cappuccino
ballerina.
ballerina.
Dungka na dun.
Oh, may nag-request o acapella daw. Oh.
Stop it.
Hindi, sinabi ko lang. Wala sa atin naman kung gagawin natin eh. Pero no. Sorry guys.
But if you were lucky enough, watch out for the giveaway from Spotify.
Uy, there
Something special to look forward to.
Yeah.
Iba si
May
Spotify.
pag-giveaway.
May giveaway. So yun yung dapat yung abangan.
At hindi lang yun.
Alam niyo, gusto ko na magsalita eh. Parang, tigilan niyo ako.
Kasi may malupit pang kailangang abangan na pa-surpresa si Spotify. Na very exclusive dito sa Spotify.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa
Yung
iyo.
talagang hindi ko alam eh.
Huwag mo na sabihin, Justin. Mahawa ka, please.
Stay tuned for another experience from Spotify
Yeah.
this coming May 23.
Ooh.
Surprise. So
Do you have any idea what's that?
I have. But I don't want to share.
I think it's something
very
Juicy daw.
interactive.
They said spill the tea.
No,
Spill
we
the
don't.
tea.
TEA.
Spill the tea.
Yes, you just spelled the T.
Yes.
That's really
But
great.
you have to say it first. Spell T. T-E-A. T.
Yeah, amazing.
Yes.
Life-changing. Sa buhay.
Wow.
Yeah.
So save the dates, May 23. And of course, we just want to reiterate, June 1, the second day of our concert is still available. Please do watch the show.
Yes. Again, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. We have 19,116 listeners right now. Again, thank you so much for listening with us today. We really enjoyed our time with you guys, and we hope that you really enjoyed our EP. And please do share our music with your friends, families, and your loved ones. Yes.
If you liked what you listened to, watch us in our concert.
Yes, we will be
Yeah, we're very
performing
yeah.
everything for the first
Yes,
time.
of course.
Yes.
There's no better experience than experiencing the music
Yes.
live.
And we're very excited to show everything, especially the
Yes.
choreographies of each song.
The visuals,
The
the
visuals,
stage,
the production and everything.
the
It's really,
surprises.
yeah, it's giving
special performances by
Special
SB19.
people.
yeah. So
Yes.
that's it, guys, for today.
Yes,
Again, thank you
thank you.
so much.
For
And
tuning in.
we hope you enjoyed your time with us, and we hope to see you again next time. And again, thank you Spotify for doing
Yep.
this with us. Thank you so much. And yeah, have a great day, everyone. Thank you. We love you.
Yes.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Again.
Spotify listening party.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Thank you, everyone. We
Thank
love
you so
you.
much. Love you all.
Wow.
Tralalu,